Good morning. Alright, let's do a quick foundation tutorial. Now, I actually mixed two together. This is Jenna Beige and this is Ivory. I mixed them together to find my perfect mix. But first, before we even get there, I'm going to moisturize Sotox. And Skin Therapy. I'm going to use our fantastic, I'm almost out of this guy. This is our daily perfect sunscreen. I have to get in here a little wakey because my dog decided to eat the top of it. It's very considerate of him. So, I either get a pair of tweezers, which I actually have right here, and just push down the thing. There's more than one way to skin a cat, right? Okay. I put it on my hand. I put it on my hand. I also do that with my foundation. One of the reasons why I do this is because this is actually where you show age. Another place that you show age very quickly is on your hands from driving. So, two birds, one stone. And now I have sunscreen on my face, neck, and hands. Boom, boom, boom. Now what's really cool about this one is it actually works as a primer, so you don't need additional primer. You can if you want to, but you don't have to, which I find wonderful. So next, what am I gonna do? I am gonna grab my little spatula. Now these are tools that you don't necessarily have to have. I am just, as my friend Josh would say, extra. But I like to have tools. So this is my little spatula. I'm gonna take a little bit of Ivory. Put it right there. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Jenna Beige and put it right there. The reason I'm putting it on my wrist is because I'm going to mix them together, and these are wax-based. So, because they are wax-based, they're going to melt with my body heat. So now I'm just going to do this. Mix, 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 mix. And there's my very own perfect shade. Okay. Now I'm going to tap a little with my finger. And then I use two things. My foundation brush and my blenderful. Blenderful is wet, not sopping, just damp. So I take my foundation brush, okay? So this is mostly to make sure that it's on. This is to beat your face, as Kim Kardashian would say. Now what this does is it evens out the application. So it's actually just pressing everything so it's one layer. You don't see brush strokes. And it gives you what they call the poreless look. And there we are. Now, if there's some areas that you want a little additional coverage, we have the world's best concealer. It is waterproof. So I would take this. This is 0. Shocking. I'm very, very light. And say come in here. The darkest part of your face is right here. Cover up those under eye circles and any other place that you need a little bit more coverage. You can also build up the foundation. It is 50% pigment so that you can build it up to whatever you need it to be. Same thing, I'm not moving it, I'm tapping. And if you put it on your eyelids, it also works to help your color stay where you want it to as far as your eyeshadow goes. And it also is a nice background for that color, so it makes that color pop just a little bit more. And there you are. Easy 7-minute foundation tutorial. I'm gonna finish up here, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye.